our short video for today is how to remove black bars using Photos application. First, you will click here on the search bar and then you will type the word Photos, or if you can see the application, click to open. Then click Video Editor. So you can create a new video project or you can use your existing video project. Then click Add to add your file. This video, open, adding files, so drag the video into the storyboard. Then I will play to preview this video. So to remove the black bars, right click the video and then select resize and then choose remove black bars. Then after, I will try to preview again the video. Okay, that's all.